Hi, welcome to Saras kitchen. Today let us see how to make choco chip cookies. For this we need 1 and half a cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of choco chips, half a cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoon of milk. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder in the all-purpose flour and mix it well. Add sugar into the butter and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the dry ingredients. Mix it well. Add milk. Gently mix. Add choco chips and mix it well. Make it as small balls and arrange it on the cookie sheet. Gently press on top of the dough. Now it's ready to go to the oven. Bake it in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Now it's ready to take from the oven. It took 17 minutes to bake. Allow it to cool for 2 to 3 minutes. Yummy, crispy, homemade choco chip cookies is ready. Please try this recipe and give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Saras Kitchen.